ZANU-PF is facing renewed accusation of coercing villagers and mobilizing support through questionable means as it pushes for constitutional changes linked to the controversial ED 2030 agenda. Sarabina Mashukubla chinzi ZANU-PF forces villagers to support ED 2030 agenda and subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipita Mzim I Mamdadina Chiti. Reports from across the country suggested that groups of villagers are being pressured to sign pre-written petitions and letters in support of Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, which proposes extending the term of elected officials from 5 to 7 years. While citizens have a democratic right to support or oppose constitutional changes, concerns have emerged that some signatures are being obtained under duress, with others allegedly fabricated. Sources claim that organizers are collecting names and national identity details before asking individuals to sign documents, often without verifying consent. In some instances, signatures are reportedly scribbled in bulk to create the impression of overwhelming national support. Questions have also been raised about claims that over 4 million signatures have been gathered, a figure that appears inconsistent with recent electoral data and internal divisions within ZANU-PF itself over the proposed amendments. The developments echo a long-standing pattern in Zimbabwean electoral policies, where rural communities have historically been subjected to coercive mobilization tactics since the early 2000s, particularly during the 2002 and 2008 elections. There have been documented cases of villagers being frog-marched to rallies, polling stations, or political meetings, often under the supervision of traditional leaders, party structures, or local security networks. In many instances, access to food aid, agricultural inputs, and other state resources has reportedly been tied to political compliance, raising serious concerns about the erosion of free political choice in rural areas. Ndomamiriro zvakaita chiona ZANU-PF vichiforsa mavillagers kuti vasapota Vision 2030. Pinda comment section medu dzafungira aim kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.